Before making an unoccupied bed, make sure to perform hand hygiene and arrange the supplies in the bedside. Assuming that I already assessed the environment for safety, provide the privacy for the patient, transfer the patient into the bedside chair, lower the side rails, and adjust the bed into the comfortable working height. Always remember to observe your body mechanics. After that, I will apply a gloves. Make sure to wear a new gloves. Avoid touching linen to uniform or shaking the linen. Untuck the bottom sheet. Make sure to fold the linen inwards or away from you so that you will not soil your uniform. Remove all linen and place it in a laundry bag. Straighten the mattress and wipe it with a washcloth moistured antiseptic solution. Then dry it thoroughly. And change your gloves before putting the new one. Now I will wear another new gloves. Apply the bottom sheet on one side. Ensure the fitted is smooth over the mattress. Fit corners on both ends. Place the flat sheet over the mattress meter the corners and tuck the part under the mattress. In my third corner, pick up the edge with your hands nearest to the hand of the bed. Lay on a triangle over the side of the bed. Tuck the hanging part of the sheet under the mattress. Drop the triangle and tuck under the mattress. Assuming that this sheet is a rubber or waterproof pad, I will put it over the first sheet. At this point, I will now put the third sheet of the bed. And then put the last sheet of the bed, which is the top sheet. Secure the signal device on the bed according to agency policy. Raise side rails and lower bed. Dispose of soiled linen according to agency policy. Remove any other PPE if used. Perform hand wash. And again, perform hand washing. And this is the end of our return demo for unoccupied bed making. Thank you.